Let me show you how to set up scheduled escrow and driver loans in ezLoads. Managing driver loans and escrow has never been easier. The driver loan option allows you to schedule repayments for any loans provided to the driver, letting you set the repayment amount and frequency for consistent payback. Plus, the system automatically tracks how much has already been deducted and how much is left to pay, making it simple to stay on top of your loans. With the escrow feature, you can allocate a portion of a driver's payment into an escrow account, ideal for saving funds for future expenses or as a security deposit. The system also makes it easy to track how much has been deducted in escrow transactions and how much remains. It's time for action. Let's go. Creating an escrow schedule. First, navigate to Drivers and select the driver. Scroll down to Scheduled Payments Deductions and click the green Add button. Select Escrow from the Type section. Specify the total amount you want to accumulate in the escrow account. Enter the periodic deduction amount that will be allocated into escrow. Choose Escrow from the Category drop-down menu. Set the frequency for the deductions, whether it's weekly or monthly, and select a start date from the calendar. In the field What period is this deduction for, use the calendar to specify the relevant period for the escrow deductions. After selecting the date, the period column on the right shows each escrow deduction's time frame for easy tracking. Optionally, add a custom description, like a truck number, to provide more details. The schedule preview on the right will display the setup, allowing you to confirm everything is correct. Once you've reviewed the preview, click Save to create the escrow transaction. A pop-up window will appear. If you choose Yes, past transactions for the escrow, along with transactions for the next 5 days, will be generated right away. If you choose No, these past transactions will automatically be created overnight. Finally, click Save to confirm your settings. Additional features. If you need to create a one-time additional deduction, you can do this easily. Just add the extra amount, and the system will adjust the remaining balance accordingly, while continuously monitoring and updating the number of payments that still need to be made. Here, you can check the history of payments made, including the amounts and descriptions, which is helpful for tracking purposes. Editing schedule. If you need to edit a schedule, simply click the green pencil icon to change the amount or period. Note that you cannot delete a schedule once it has generated entries. Instead, you can inactivate or pause it. The process for setting up a driver loan is similar, following the same steps as for escrow. And that's it. With the escrow and driver loan features in ezLoads, managing driver funds and loan repayments is simple and efficient. Need extra help? Reach our support team at support@ezloads.net. Enjoy using ezLoads.